Health matters. The coronavirus outbreak is bringing a lot of uncertainty to our lives, and that has made one thing very certain. It's a stressful time.
It certainly is. When it comes to kids, specialists say all that anxiety now can have a serious impact on their future. NBC6's Jenna Jordan explains.
Doctors say stress and anxiety are a natural reaction to difficult situations.
What I tell patients when they come into my office is that if you're under stress, just stand in line, because I said that stress affects us all.
But how kids handle it can be a defining moment for them.
The coping mechanism might actually give them an advantage moving forward as they get older, that they say, gee, I've been through something like this, I succeeded, I can take on anything.
But tackling the stress can be harder for some kids than others.
I don't want them feeding off of my stress and anxiety.
Candace Patton says her teenage daughter Sierra is more social and has issues with anxiety. When COVID first closed schools,
She struggled in the beginning from the social aspect. She wanted to see her friends. She wanted to be with her people.
doctors say it's the physical distance, not social distance, that needs to be maintained to stop the spread of the virus.
They need to interact with others, they need to have their social development, so I think that's going to be the biggest concern that most of us have in terms of its potential psychological effects.
And yes, social media counts. But for younger kids without those accounts, like Patton's 8-year-old son Caleb, they can be left feeling isolated.
He's always been a warrior, but it really just amplified to the point that he was becoming physically ill, breaking out in hives.
She says her family is trying to not live in fear of the virus while still taking necessary precautions.
Just had to come together as a family to figure out how to create just a extremely peaceful environment.
Doctors say doing just that can help kids avoid long-lasting psychological scars.
A gloom and doom environment is going to be worse than a upbeat, positive environment.
Jenna Jordan, NBC6 News.
And doctors say relaxation, yoga, and aerobic exercise are some other methods to help cope with stress.